Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. I am so pleased with the results of these Puracy dishwasher pods. My favorite part is that the instructions say only scrape, don't rinse. And that is a huge time saver. And using the pods is so convenient. They easily fit in the dispenser of my dishwasher. And the results are outstanding with no spots on my glasses. That drives me crazy, and I'm so excited that I've gotten these results. And the packaging is resealable, so you can easily keep them stored in the resealable package. I keep them right under my sink and I reach for them every time I run the dishwasher. I love the scent as well. It's such a really nice, clean scent, and it fills my kitchen. The convenience and effectiveness of these Puracy dishwasher pods make them a staple in my kitchen. And that's my point of view.